In 2025, Bitcoin is more than just a cryptocurrency, it is a movement. It challenges traditional financial systems, empowers individuals, and offers a glimpse into a future where money is borderless, censorship-resistant, and truly decentralized. Under the Trump presidency, with its focus on economic nationalism and innovation, Bitcoin's importance has grown as both a hedge against uncertainty and a tool for personal empowerment. Whether you're an investor seeking financial security, a business embracing cutting-edge payment systems, or an individual striving for freedom, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of opportunity in an ever-changing world. Bitcoin isn't just the king of cryptocurrency, it's the embodiment of a global revolution, one that champions freedom, innovation, and resilience. As we navigate the complexities of 2025, Bitcoin's role in shaping a more equitable and decentralized financial future cannot be overstated. The question is no longer whether Bitcoin is important, it's how you'll choose to embrace its transformative potential.